Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to send check-in to your friends and family, and this method works with iPhone, iPad, and also Mac OS, and you must be running iOS 17, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to send check-in to your family in this new software, which is the iOS 17. So you must be running iOS 17 in order to send check-in to your friends and family, and also the recipient must have Android 17 installed on their device. So check-in is that when you want to go somewhere, you're traveling somewhere and you want to travel safely, and you want your friend and family member to know your location. So we're going to go ahead and do it live. So you're gonna watch this video. So I'm gonna go to text message, and from here I'm gonna select somebody here, and I go to add. So add here, you gonna scroll down and you're gonna see check-in. So this is check-in button. You click on it, and from here, as you can see, it says let your friend know you've arrived. So you can notify a friend automatically when you get to your destination, right? So let's click on continue. So from here, it's going to tell you iPhone will keep up your progress. If you aren't making any progress toward destination, you will be prompted to have 15 minutes to respond. If you don't respond, they're going to notify your friends and family saying that you got stuck in such a location. And we're going to click on continue. And from here, it says choose the data you would like to share if you don't arrive. So you can choose data. For example, here you can choose limited or full, right? So let's check it out here. So the limited includes current location and details about battery and network signals for the phone and Apple Watch. So full includes all data from limited plus route, travel location of last iPhone unlocked, and Apple Watch removal, right? So I'm going to click on full. Actually, I'm going to go to limited, and here you can click on continue, and from here you can send check-in. As you can see here, you send a check-in in the destination and approximate arrival time you will be sharing, and also you arrive to your destination, you will be notified automatically and the check-in will end. So once you arrive at your destination, check-in will end automatically. If you are delayed, or if iPhone places an emergency SOS calls, you will be prompted. If you do not respond within 15 minutes of being prompted, they will notify your friends and family. All right. And right here it says if iPhone is offline. If your iPhone is offline for extended period of time, they will notify your friends as well. So this is great for safety. So friends and family, you're traveling somewhere, especially in some areas that are very dangerous, so you can use this safety feature, which is the check-in. You send your friend, you share your location with your friends, and your friend will get notified when you arrive at your destination. So here I'm going to send check-in, and I send this to my son, and as you can see, this is the check-in. So it says check-in is not available to send to this recipient because he's not running iOS 17. But if he was running iOS 17, he will be getting the informations, and he will be following me everywhere I go, and he will be notified when I arrive on my destination. All right, so the thing is that you must be running iOS 17 on your iPhone or iPad or Mac OS, and also the recipient, your family member, must be running iOS 17 as well. So if you don't have iOS 17 running on your device, you're not going to be able to use check-in for this kind of safety feature. So guys, this is it. So hopefully I'll make another video with someone who has iOS 17. My family members, they don't update their phones, so I'm the only one that do this. But I'll ask my boy to update his device so I can make another video using check-in. All right, overall, so that's what it is. You must have iOS 17 running on your device, and also the recipient, your family member, must have iOS 17 on their device as well. All right, So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.